Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gardening lime is probably one of the most effective and eco-friendly solutions for neutralizing the odor and bacteria associated with dog waste, making your yard a more pleasant and hygienic space for both you and your furry friend. This video will explore how gardening lime works its magic, helping you choose the right product and use it safely and effectively to tackle this common pet owner challenge. Number 5. Down-to-earth garden lime. It's a natural way to improve your soil's health and boost your plant's growth. This 5-pound box of all-natural mineral fertilizer is perfect for any organic garden. Made from natural limestone, it's ground into an ultra-fine powder and formed into easy-to-spread mini granules. This ensures a rapid reaction time in your soil. It raises the pH of your soil, creating the perfect environment for healthy plant growth and better fertilizer absorption. Watch your plants thrive. It supplies calcium, a vital nutrient for strong and healthy plants. This ensures your plants have everything they need to flourish. It's listed by the Organic Materials Review Institute, OMRI, and registered as an organic input material by the CDFA, so you can be confident in its organic integrity. The mini granules make it easy to spread evenly across your garden beds. Get ready for a bountiful harvest. What we like? It's an all-natural, organic option, perfect for those who prioritize eco-friendly gardening. The ultra-fine powder ensures easy spreading, saving you time and effort. If you're an organic gardener looking for a convenient and effective way to improve your soil's pH, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use and is a great addition to boost the growth of plants. Lime acts to neutralize soil acidity and supply nutrients such as calcium and magnesium to the soil. After you open the down-to-earth organic garden lime calcium carbonate, you will find a transparent bag. It's full of small calcium carbonate gray pieces. The pH did change in the area of soil to which I added the content to. Number 4. Espoma organic garden lime. It raises your soil's pH level. This helps improve plant growth and fertilizer performance. It's perfect for turning those hydrangea blooms a vibrant pink. Simply add it to the soil to raise the pH. It contains dolomitic lime, which sweetens the soil. This helps improve plant growth and maximize fertilizer performance. It's approved for organic gardening and is a registered organic input material. It meets all requirements for organic production. It's made in the USA by Espoma, a leader in natural organics since 1929. You can trust its quality and effectiveness. Use it on flowers, vegetables, lawns, trees, or shrubs to correct acidic soil. It's versatile and beneficial for a wide range of plants. It adds calcium to help prevent blossom end rot. This ensures healthy and abundant blooms and fruits. What we like? This one's a game changer if you want vibrant pink hydrangeas. It contains dolomitic lime, which is great for improving plant growth. If you're looking to achieve that specific color in your hydrangeas while using an organic product, this is your best bet. What people say. Can use dry or in solution. The lime is on the course to very coarse size. Mixed in with a peat-based soil is like a match made in heaven. The tomatoes are growing huge. Works well. Killed the smell and is breaking it down easily. Number 3. Organic garden lime 6 pounds. Give your garden the boost it needs with our organic garden lime. It's the perfect way to improve soil health and promote vibrant plant growth. This 6-pound bag provides ample coverage for your garden beds. You'll have enough to amend your soil and get the most out of your plants. It's 100% natural and improves soil structure, helping with drainage and aeration. This ensures healthy roots and thriving plants. Simply spread it evenly over your garden soil before planting or as a top dressing. It's easy to use and blends right in. With improved soil pH and nutrient availability, your plants will flourish. Get ready for a bountiful harvest. Don't let poor soil hold your garden back. It's the key to unlocking your garden's full potential. What we like? This organic option is a great choice for those who need a larger quantity of lime for their gardening needs. It is a simple and effective way to improve your soil's pH and promote healthy plant growth. If you have a larger garden or need a larger bag size, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to apply. Super easy fix for the color that had disappeared in my hydrangeas. They had been pink for a few years, and then this year were white. All I did was water the tree a few times with this product, and the blooms all turned a pretty pink again. I really didn't know how much to mix in, but I took a handful to start and my follows have started turning pink, so it does work. Number 2. Dolomite Lime 30 lb. It's a high-quality product, made right here in the United States. It's perfect for various applications. This product is known for its superior quality and effectiveness. It's a reliable choice for your needs. We're proud to say it's manufactured domestically, supporting American jobs and quality control. You can trust in its origin. Please be aware that it is currently banned for sale in Washington, California, and Oregon. Check your local regulations. It has a wide range of uses. Find out more about how it can benefit you. Choose this product for its quality, American-made assurance, and wide range of applications. Remember to check local regulations before purchasing. What we like. Looking for a cost-effective solution for larger gardening projects? This bulk option provides a significant amount of lime for a lower price per pound. If you need a large quantity of lime and cost is a major factor, this is the option for you. Please check for regional availability restrictions before purchasing. What people say. No lime product is 100% dustproof, but I have found these to be the best, so easiest to use in my Scott's broadcast spreader. Just don't let the bag get wet. Number 1. JOBE'S Organics Garden Lime. Give your plants the best start with JOBE'S Organics Garden Lime. It's a natural way to improve your soil's pH and help your plants thrive. This 6-pound bag is packed with organic soil deacidifier. It's designed to be easy to use and avoid any mess. It increases alkalinity, helping plants absorb nutrients for vibrant color and lush growth. Watch your garden flourish. It's completely free of synthetic chemicals and is OMRI listed for organic gardening. You can trust it for your organic garden. Simply apply it at planting time, and then reapply 2 to 3 times a year to maintain the perfect soil pH. It's that easy. It's easy to measure, ensuring you provide the right amount for healthy plants and grass, without the risk of burning. What we like. It's a chemical-free, organic choice that's easy to apply and measure. The convenient packaging and simple application make it perfect for beginners. If you value ease of use and organic gardening practices, this is the one for you. What people say. The small bag was just the right size to cover my garden space. I like that the lime is pelletized. This makes it easy to apply with a broadcast spreader. Application is even, and you don't have to deal with the cloud of white dust that working with regular powdery lime creates. Increased soil pH in 5 to 7 days. Easy to use, just measure, sprinkle and water in. This has done a great job of brightening up the blue and purple tones of my various hydrangea flowers. It brought my gardenia to life, doubling the size and blooms on it. It greatly increased my blueberry yields, and I swear it made them taste sweeter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.